perfect couch. Size, quality, functionality, and obviously I wanted it to look good, and I found it. Now, I had read every review and knew this was quite a big couch, but I still was not prepared for this many packages. This was 13 boxes, and I had to get them all downstairs. And now the fun part, installation. I ended up going with the Belffin 12 seats, 10 sides, modular weave sofa with storage seating. Every seat came packaged great in its own box with the necessary parts tucked away inside, and they even included a well-made flathead for easy installation, but of course, being the handy girl that I am, I popped out one of my tools to speed this up. Installation consisted of a few steps, but honestly, it was pretty self-explanatory, and I decided to time myself, and it took about 5 minutes per chair, and that does include getting it out of the box, so I don't think that was too bad. Now again, this is from Belffin's modular sofa line. I chose from the weave collection. They also have a velvet, terry, or tufted collection. I chose this one just because it's going to be around boys and I needed to hold up. And I chose the biggest option, but they do have smaller couches for smaller spaces. This couch is perfect. It fits the needs that I'm looking for. It's big, it's comfy, it looks great, and I absolutely love the fact that it's modular. Every seat can be moved and placed to where we want it to be for that particular day. So if the boys want to spread out and have their own individual seats, or if ever Jay and I want to come down and have a movie night and make it into a huge bed, we have the option to do that. The possibilities really seem endless. And then when you do pick your shape, you use the provided latches to keep everything together. Every seat has built-in storage. Every chair reclines. I mean, this sofa just keeps getting better and better.